Welcome back everyone. So in this video I'm going to do a quick 5-minute guide on how to deal with the attention-seeking behaviour students in the classroom. Step number 1, understand the why. Behaviour is communication. Okay, students may act out for a variety of reasons: lack of attention at home, academic struggles, anxiety, or simply needing connection. Understanding this helps build up the relationships, understand and respond with empathy, and ask yourself what's the need they're trying to meet. I mean, obviously teachers, we're not trained psychologists, but understanding where the behaviour is going to come from or is coming from is going to lead to a more longer lasting, positive desired behaviours if you understand why the attention-seeking behaviour is happening in the first place. Step 2, like all your behaviour management techniques, set clear boundaries and expectations. Expectations early. Be consistent. If a student constantly calls out, just reminder, make sure your hand's up. Well, just make sure it's the second time you called out, don't need to be calling out. Just those quick prompts during the class reminds the student. Now, they're going to be testing you as well and seeing if they can rile you up. And if you're a new teacher or a new teacher at a new school, or it's a new year, or it just might just be you and a particular student having a off relationship or a different dynamic, not responding and staying calm and composed to this, as well as setting your clear expectations and boundaries. That's going to be that sort of overall dynamic that's going to reduce the attention-seeking behaviour over time. Now, you're going to need prompts as you're going. So they're not calling out, just remember to raise your hand. Well, that's the second or third time you've done it. If we do this, options falling forward, have to move around the class, move outside of class, keep back at recess and lunch, contact parents, and then you sort of, you go from there with your behaviour consequences. But what you're trying to do over time is just sort of show the other students is it's not affecting you. Okay, I mean, it's frustrating, don't get me wrong, it's very frustrating, especially when you've got 25, 30 students, tension on the board, for a decent amount of time. You got that 1 or 2 students calling out consistently. It's frustrating, but over time, with the planned ignore and the prompts to recreate the behaviour, that should lead to longer lasting effects and reduce the attention-seeking behaviour. Step number 3, reinforce positive behaviour. Catch students being good. Okay, and it's not fake good, it's just well done for being here. Well done, Isaiah, got to class on time, good to see you. Well done, Josephine, you're attempting that work, good to see you. Well done, Ethan, you're engaged in the work more than yesterday, good to see you making progress. That direct praise is going to, first of all, direct students into the sort of more desired behaviour, but actually, it shows them they're capable as well. I mean, if you're constantly reinforcing the negative behaviour, students start to, I guess it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, and students become more and more entangled in that, and that's more and more their identity. So if we can sort of negate the negatives in a way, be consistent, but then also build up with the positives and direct positives, that over time should reduce that attention-seeking behaviour as well. And then finally, provide healthy attention. This can be tough. I mean, you're one teacher in a room split between 30 students. It can be tough to give every student an equal amount of time, but simple things like 1 or 2 minute check-ins during the lesson. How are you? What's going on? Good to see you in class today. Good to see you doing work. You get some sleep last night. How'd the games go on the weekend? Whatever. Just shows obviously you care for that student. Now, you might get some students not wanting to entertain that, which is fine, but at least you're making the effort to start with. And again, don't go above and beyond if you're not getting much back. It's a give and take relationship. By you initiating as a teacher to start with, it helps build those relationships, and those relationships are going to be the core to your positive learning environment. So, in wrapping up, attention-seeking behaviour isn't about being bad. It's about unmet needs, okay? With empathy, clear boundaries, and a little creativity, we can turn these disruptions into connections. You can get through with the attention-seeking behaviour. Just with persistence and consistency, you will get there. Like always, thanks for listening. Catch you next time.